Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to your you versus them. Sagittarius, let's see how you're feeling now, how the person connected to your energy is feeling, and what action we can expect in this connection now. And Sagittarius, these are general collective readings, may not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you, leave the rest. So let's begin. Welcome back, all my subscribers, and welcome in newcomers. Sagittarius spirit. All right, newcomers, I'm setting down two sets of cards here. One side will be for you, one side will be for your person, and in the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, mutual energies. If this is your reading, Sagittarius, you'll recognize which side you resonate best with. For me, this is going to be person A here and person B here. Bottom of my deck, I have the Six of Pentacles in reverse. So there was a lack of equal give and take maybe in this connection. Maybe somebody was feeling breadcrumbed, or they felt the other person was giving to more than one or something. So I do sense from one person's point of view, they feel that there was nothing to look forward to. There was no commitment, there was nothing to look forward to. I don't even want to talk to them anymore. I'm releasing this connection. I don't want to put in any more effort, energy into this connection because it was not going forward to a happy place. Now, they felt that things were stuck or never moved forward in a positive direction. So it's like, yeah, must be a karmic soulmate, or not a good connection, or not a toxic one or something. I have to release this connection. The other person, I think they still want to heal the connection. They have a lot of love in their heart, which probably they have never really spoken about, but they are seeing their person as the star, as their wish come true. Maybe in the past, this person was being a bit sneaky or something, but now they want a second chance. This person really does want to fight for this connection, but I don't think they have the courage right now for some strange reason. I don't know why that is. Let's clarify these cards, figure it out. But before I start the clarification, let's start with by asking the universe. Spirit, tell me what's going on in this connection. Why is Sagittarius and their person feeling the way that they are? And newcomers have pre-drawn these cards out because my left arm is still out of action. Very soon I'll be shuffling these on camera as well, but we can open them together now. So the first card here, Sagittarius, says balance. There may be a need for equal give and take. Yeah, that was the overall energy for the connection. So there was a lack of balance and a lack of equal give and take, which there was a necessity for. Balance. Okay. Second card here says manifesting. Someone is manifesting maybe something new in their life now, or this could be the other person manifesting this connection back. I don't know. Third card says change. This connection is transforming. All right. So let's also do your dialogue message cards and see what this change is going to be all about. And Sagittarius, if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is omkaratarot@gmail.com. You can reach me there. It's there in the description box below as well. So the first card here says, I know that I'm marriage material, and I know that deep down you know that too. I loved you more than I loved myself. Then I realized I didn't love myself. Somebody gave more, I think. I really didn't think we were compatible at first. I see that we are now. I need to hold you tight. I will never fall in true love again. Everything will fall in place one day. I'm sorry for making you feel like you were hard to love. I was never able to be my true self around you. I'm sorry I wasn't able to open my heart. I'm stuck in my ways. I wasn't ready to change who I was to be the one that you needed. I'm stuck in my ways. I wasn't ready to change who I was to be the one that you needed. Okay, so maybe if they didn't change, then the universe is going to change things in this connection. That's what the change is all about. Somebody was being in denial, or they were unwilling to change their ways. Let's take an angel blessing card for you as well, Sagittarius, which also I've pulled out for you in advance. This is a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for the person watching the reading. This could be you, Sagittarius, could be your cross watcher. So this angel blessing card says commitment. So the actual spiritual meaning of this card actually is someone who had to learn a lesson to commit to themselves first. Maybe somebody overgave and they had to learn that first and foremost they have to think about themselves, make themselves happy before trying to please someone else. Or this could be, who knows, the other person wanting to have commitment with the other one now. So, Spirit, tell me what's going on. Let's start with person A's energy. And newcomers, please remember, these are not gender based. I'm not guessing which side you're on. Of course, if this is your reading, one side would be you, one side would be the person who's connected to your energy. This could be anyone, could be a love interest, spouse, ex, secret crush, could be a business partner, maybe your relative. So please use your judgment there. Right now I'm focusing on you, person A. Once I'm done here, only later I'll move to the other side. So tell me, in your feelings and your emotions, I see the Four of Wands in reverse. Yeah, person A says, I've given up hope. I've given up hope. I'm not stressing about them anymore. I'm not losing any more sleep over the fact that this never worked out and this was meant to be a long-term partnership or a connection. I don't even want to talk to them anymore right now, Omkara Tarot. I'm more focused on making things happen in my own life. I want to move on and find new love in my life. Somebody who will actually be there for me, who will offer me a cup of love. I don't want to be in a connection with somebody who was just a flirt or treating me like a third party or, a friend or a friends with benefits. I am not focusing on that anymore. I'm not even communicating with them anymore. I am now focusing on somebody brand new who will actually be there for me for the long haul. So one connection, person A says, never worked out. Four of Wands in reverse. Letting go of that, letting go of the stress of that, and calling in, I think, a new soulmate. But that the person is doing by totally saying, I'm not even talking to this past person anymore. I'm done. I'm focusing on somebody brand new who will offer me something long term. Why do you feel this way, person A? Tell me. Why do you feel that now you have to totally eradicate the past so that you can move forward to a new soulmate? Eight of Pentacles in reverse. Person A says because they never put the work in. They never made a move towards me. This connection never moved in the right direction. They were unwilling to put in the effort and the work that was required. All they did was lie to me, cheat on me, ghost me, try and keep things secret. And that didn't work for me. This connection was just going backwards instead of going forward. There was just too much of conflict. Yeah, person was hoping, I think, that the other person would rush back and make things right with them, but they felt no, this is just an immature knight I've been dealing with. None of my dreams and wishes are coming true here. All the cups are empty. That's why I think person is finally now making their own choices and their own decisions. It's like, I'm not going to wait for anyone else to make me an option or a choice. I will be making my own choices from now on. So this is a lesson learned, I think. So tell me, person A, how do you see the connection currently? How do you see person B? How do you feel about this connection now? Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Yeah, person A says, this was a karmic soulmate. This cycle had to end. I had to put a spoke on that wheel to stop it from moving, because I recognized that maybe this was only passion, or maybe this was a karmic who came into my life to teach me a lesson. I'm releasing this devil now. Not that person is calling person B a devil, but they're calling the connection that it was unhealthy. It was an unhealthy, toxic connection where they felt that the other person was keeping them like a choice in their life, or not making a decision, or not choosing them. So I think person A is kind of now understood that they have other options. It's almost like person A says, this connection was karmic, right? But I'm not going to allow them to make me feel that I was not good enough. I know I'm marriage material, even they know it. So there are many others who I can now explore with. Maybe somebody more honest, somebody who will take action towards me. I have choices in my own life. Why should I settle for somebody who was keeping me stuck or not offering me anything, and I was putting them on a pedestal, making myself feel I'm not good enough? No, there is like a whole lot of other new people I can check out. So, okay, that's good for you. Okay, so person A, the action you will finally take either towards person B or in your own life. I will open this card later. Right now, I'm going to go to the other side, see how person B is feeling, and then we'll do the action cards together. So, person B, how are you feeling? What's the star card for you? And the King of Cups. Star. Oh, they are now wishing, hoping, praying for person A. They see their person A as their wish come true. This person is sitting in a lot of sadness, regret, shame, guilt, because I think they did have love in their heart, which they never expressed in the past. King of Cups, yeah, they were always holding back their emotions. This person was always holding back their emotions, playing hot and cold, never really revealing their true self. Now they are saying, "Oh my God, this was my true wish. This was my star. This is the person I want to be with." I mean, now that they have lost person A, I think this person doesn't want any other options. It's like they're sitting in those nostalgic memories, missing person A. Why now? Why now? Yeah, person B says, yeah, because things ended painfully between us, Omkara Taro. Why did they end? What happened? Person B, tell me. What happened here? Why are you sitting in that shame and guilt and remorse? Feeling everything ended? Seven of Swords. So there was some lying, cheating behavior, some sneaky ways. Somebody made some unwise and foolish choices in the past. Yeah, they, I think, pushed that person away. Oh no, that person pushed them away. Person A pushed them away and said, you know what, if this is the way you're going to be, if you're going to always lie to me or, be sneaky or keep this connection a secret or not do be right by me, I think person A is the one who they're saying pushed me away, and they're out there single, independent, and really doing well in their own life. And it was either that, or maybe in the past person B was pushing person A away and they realized they didn't do right by person A. Maybe they wanted to have their single life, I don't know. Something happened here which was sneaky. But person B is admitting, yes, there was something unfair that I did. Now I think they do want a second chance. They do want to revive this connection. They do want a second chance because now they've recognized that the person probably that they did wrong to is their star, is their wish come true, is the one that who can make all their dreams and wishes come true. It's like only now they've recognized, if only I could go back. All they can think about is if only they would give me a second chance and I can go back. They want to heal things with person A now. Okay, so how do you see the connection currently then? How do you see person A? How do you feel about this connection now? Five of Wands. They want to fight for this connection because now they've recognized, okay, one more. They've recognized person A to be their Two of Cups. Yep, this person wants to get unstuck. They want to bring back the happiness. I don't think this person has the courage, but why is the Strength card in reverse? Because they know that they created too much conflict in the past. They're a little worried that person A has already moved on with somebody else, or either they tried reaching out to person A and person A never reciprocated. So they are feeling they've lost out on that love. This person is feeling the lack of love in their life. Oh yeah, this person is now seeing person A as their soulmate who they want to return to. Why is there lack of courage then? Why can't you just go tell them? Because they feel person A has already turned their back on them, has moved on. They're feeling that person A doesn't love me anymore. It's over. Like, how do I now go back and tell them that you're my Two of Cups? Yeah, this person is very sad. They lost out. They lost out on a Ten of Cups and now they don't have the courage to even come back and ask person A because they feel they won't want me back, not after the way I treated them. I didn't nurture this connection. I never offered them anything. Now they won't even want me back anymore. Somewhere they feel they are now unlovable. Okay, so let's see if you guys will take any actions now. Going to take another deck for this one, Sagittarius. And now may I also please remind you, if you could just tap the thumbs up button for me, please. Helps the videos to circulate, keeps me motivated to do more readings for you, Saggies. And newcomers, repeating viewers, do like, share, subscribe to the channel. We welcome you in. So person A, let's start with you. Action from your end towards person B or otherwise in your own life. Five of Swords in reverse. What's the Five of Swords in reverse? Yeah, person A says, I'm not going to go back playing their games. It's not after the way they treated me. They treated me like I was not good enough for them. They made me feel that they were like, one person was like wanting to win and making the other person feel not good enough. I don't want to be feeling like that anymore. I don't want to be in a connection where I'm always the underdog. I'm much stronger than that now, Omkara Tarot. I'm much stronger. I've taken my power back and I will not settle for anything but an equal give and take. Whatever I give, I want back in return, but they were playing mind games and power games with me. It's like they wanted to have the upper hand and they made me feel not good enough. So person A feels, yeah, there's nothing to really look forward to. They were left behind, they were left out in the cold, there was sadness, there was regret. It was a waste of time. So right now person A could be just focusing on self-love. They're connecting with the universe, they're connecting with their and their heart is open, which is the best thing. It's like, I've learned my lesson. This was a karmic soulmate, but I am now open to new love towards myself and somebody who will be a true soulmate, who will be there for me, who will be there to grow with me. Till then, I'm going to hold back and I'm going to love myself first. Okay, so person B, tell me, what's your action going to be towards person A or otherwise in your own life? The Moon in reverse. This person, I think, wants to reveal something now. What's the Moon in reverse? That they want to start a brand new chapter. What they want to really tell person A is, I want a life with you. I want to grow old with you. I want to have fertility, growth and abundance with you. I can never replace you. Can we have a brand new chapter together? Yeah, they want to bring back the happiness. They're seeing person A as their happiness. So tell me, you want to reveal these things. Will you take any action? Ace of Wands, the Five of Swords. I think they are a bit stuck. Somewhere they are stuck because either they feel their offer is not going to be accepted. They want to take action. This person actually wants to step up and do right by person A. Now they're saying we could be a strong power couple, be the emperor to the empress. I want to offer them commitment. But the reason why this person is stuck, because somewhere they feel maybe it's too late, my offer won't be accepted. Why would you do that? I think it's basically lack of courage. No, they're telling me, no, I want a second chance, I want to fight for it. But somewhere they feel person A has strong boundaries up and maybe new options. Yeah, it's almost like they feel even if I was to go towards them, they're going to turn me away. I'm sure they have lots of new options. They're going to say no to me, not after the way I treated them, not after the way I mistreated them. I'm sure they've moved on from me already. I never made them my priority. I never made them my choice. I think there's a lot of overthinking going on person B's end right now. So as much as they want to, they now see the potential of this connection. I think there's a bit of fear, a lot of fear, to be honest. This person is lacking courage. So they're trying to find a way to tell themselves, yeah, but they won't want me back. I want to give them everything, but I know they won't want me back. I think they're basically sitting in their own fear right now. Sorry, person B, I'm calling you out on that. Yeah, this person is lonely. They are lonely. They are wishing for everything, but I don't see them making a move. So, Spirit, tell me, maybe they tried and person A didn't reciprocate. I don't know. So now it's like, is it too late? Why is the Six of Pentacles overall energy, Spirit? Six of Pentacles overall energy for Sagittarius is reading today. Two of okay, so this is person A who says, I did wait, but they never chose me. They were keeping their options open. They were not ready to have a one-on-one partnership with me. Maybe they treated person A like a friend or a friends with benefits, or kept them in a third party or something. I think the main thing what person A's complaint is that they were not one-on-one with me. So I think person A was hoping maybe for a while that they would choose them or offer them something stable. So it's like, if they're not going to, then I'm going to move on and start something brand new. Yeah, start from scratch, something brand new for myself. So they've gone silent. Person A has gone silent and maybe manifesting a brand new lover to come to them. Alright, so that's what I have for you. Till next time then. Love and light. Take care. Namaste.